Alright guys, this is one of my great favorite new tools. I thought I'd just showcase it to you. You've seen my reviews on the Milwaukee wrenches with the Maxbite. They're great. Here's the new line of, that's right guys, ratcheting wrenches. Ratcheting wrenches, we can just get in there, you know, nice fine tooth. This is the standard one. Got those ink filled sizings, they're easy to see. The nice I-beam strength with that outer one just, you know, contouring grip. Got that really sweet Maxbite teeth. You get right in there. I said all the benefits of the regular wrenches, but ratcheting. They are non-directional. They're non-reversible, so they just flip around, tighten or loosen. They give you a little direction arrow there to help you out. Loosen, obviously, that's going to tighten on the other side. Not going to really crank these things to the test, see how they're going to perform, but honestly, Milwaukee's kind of blowing me away. This is just the overview video. They got those nice laser etched on this side, and the nice raised Boss Milwaukee logo on that side. Raised Boss. Doesn't even feel weird when you have your fingers on it if you're using it that way. But then that laser etched nice new Milwaukee logo right there. Like it. Looks like it'll stand the test of time. As I did with the last ones, when you get the 15-piece set, you don't skip any sizes. This one goes all the way down to quarter. The metric goes down to 8, up to 22. Standard goes up to 1 inch. And so when you put these together, the packaging is also the holder if you want to choose to use it that way. And they fit in your standard toolbox drawer. Right now I'm moving the shop, so they're not in a toolbox drawer yet, but they just got that nice, you know, they'll just sit in there, be super accessible. Metric aims this way, standard aims this way, easy to open a drawer and see it. Again, go all the way up to that big head design. And you can see that it's just really, the head's not oversized. It's got a nice, looks like a nice ratcheting pawl. Not crazy huge to get, you know, block you from getting into spaces. You can see here's a, compared to a Craftsman, we're gonna grab the Milwaukee 17. This is the Craftsman 17. You can actually see the Milwaukee is just a little bit tighter. You can just see how it gets in there. You can see, you know, heads are a little bit different size. Smaller, fits into tighter spaces. You know, overall, I think Milwaukee's been doing great design, asking technicians of what, you know, what they need, and this is what I was asking for when they came with the Maxbites. Having that Maxbite end and that full angular design. You can see just how when a normal wrench, this is the Craftsman one, comes in, you know, you have that rounded edge, so even if you got the slides to pop in, you know, you're just hitting two sides of it. With the Maxbite, you're coming in and it's actually fitting all the way down, allowing you to fit tighter to the bolt or nut, and it gets right in that corner, giving you surface here, 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 and here, and it even grabbing to the corners, and these ridges on the side just don't let go, don't slip. Even if you have a partially rusted nut or bolt head, it really just bites on and doesn't let go. And that's what the point of the Maxbite is. It allows you to not strip out fasteners and it gets you in a tight space. Where this one, you know, you're just going to be putting pressure on two edges, especially the corners. So you're grabbing more of a percentage. You know, that. They carry a lifetime warranty. Any standard quality tool does. Obviously, if one breaks, just contact Milwaukee and they'll get you set up with what needs to be done. Pretty much a no-brainer. Can't say enough about them. I'm going to put them to the test, but I'm sure they'll handle just as good as the other Maxbite wrenches did. But I will do a full review video later. Just letting you guys have a little tidbit at this right now. Wrenches, they should be available pretty quick here if they're not already by the time this video is up online. You can also check out Milwaukee's website, and they have links to where these will be sold online or in stores at your local Home Depot and other locations. So thanks for watching, guys, and more on these Milwaukee ratchet wrenches later.